Look at that. Check this thing out, guys. This was connected right to the headers. Literally, you're taking hot air into your intake.
Do you hear that?
All right. Oh my boy. This is stupid loud. The neighbors are looking at me like I'm crazy. Oh my God. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Brailsford's Rides. I'm Matt again here with another video. I got my good friend Mike, Mr. MJI over here. He's got a pretty gorgeous fox. You can check it out on Gearhead's channel. And today we are installing our long tube headers onto the 85 LX Project Rev. And we're gonna get one last cold start with it, pull it out, and get it jacked up. Okay, so let's get going. Yeah, we're gonna start to go at it. Just pulled the wires from the plugs, and we're gonna get these iron pigs unbolted.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life.
All right, so we got the header bolts loose. Now we're getting underneath and disconnecting the mid pipe from the exhaust. Well, these aren't even headers; these are exhaust manifolds. Getting the mid pipe disconnected from the exhaust manifolds, and start taking it all apart. Mike brought these really cool 2x4 jacks stands. I have never used them, but I've seen people use them, and I might have to make myself a set. I really like it. I really like the ease of work on this.
Why the car on this side?
Would you like to say something?
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Why the car on right here?
Why is the car right here?
Mm-hmm.
It's easier to work.
Love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. Some people wish the time just like it.
All right, guys. So we went ahead and there's no way we were gonna get this bolt that's on this exhaust. There's an exhaust manifold back there. There's no way we were gonna get the bolt on the passenger side. We went ahead and we just cut the mid pipe, and we're just gonna raise it out through the top or the bottom, either way. But it's gonna just save us some work because these aren't going back on anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this, and yeah, let's keep going. That hurt. You gonna grab the tools? Can you get them?
I'll give you a tool.
Boys are doing their part. All right, guys, so we went ahead and we got the mid pipe off. We just hacked it off so that way we don't have to worry about the bolt that's unreachable. But we're gonna go ahead and let me just check out all the weight we're saving. These cats, I mean, this thing's gotta weigh, it's probably a solid 40 pounds or so. I mean, these cats might be pretty plugged up as well, because there's a lot of crap falling out of there. But you know, we're saving a lot of weight, we're adding some power, and this thing should be a little bit quicker. Pretty excited to see how this goes. All right, so we're working on getting the manifolds out. We got this something crazy it's on this one that Mike's down there working on. And we had a special guest. My grandfather stopped by to supervise and be our safety. So, our safety officer here. But,
so to speak.
Yeah, so we're working on this thing, and we'll get these iron pigs off here soon and get those other manifolds bolted up.
Mr.
It
Mike.
should pull right out. Here it's coming through. There you go. You got it.
Yeah, so we're swapping out these manifolds. You guys take these things and you compare them to the long tubes. Look how much flow we're gaining here. That is a significant amount of flow. Look, we got a pretty sweet set of downpipe right here that we put in.
Turn down.
You turn down, there you go.
Like earlier, I was going crazy because I was under the car and we're halfway finished and we're almost finished, I'm gonna say, but I'm liking this.
Fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises.
So it's a hot air intake right there. Look at that. Check this thing out, guys. This was connected right to the headers. Literally, you're taking hot air into your intake. It's like designed to kill your power. I don't understand it. But look, we got both the exhaust manifolds off. We got some all the arc clear long tubes. This is super exciting, guys. I can't wait to hear what this thing's gonna sound like. She's gonna be a beast. Here, see what I'm seeing?
They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare.
Brake lines or...
Maybe something in the air.
I think the brake line is running routed everything around this new motor. I'm not sure.
You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that.
Look at the river line.
I'm not wasting any more time.
All right, guys, this has been a doozy of a project. We got the headers in. It took a lot of work. There was a stage where we actually gave up, or I gave up, and somehow we miraculously got it on. I actually got to redo the engine, bolt the engine back in. We never jacked it. We tried to. It didn't work, but we miraculously finagled these things in there, and it is tight. And I might burn my starter out at some point. But it's okay because this is not our forever motor and it's all going to come out at some point anyway. We are buttoning up the car for now. The headers are good, battery's back in, spark plugs are in, and wires are getting back in. We're not going to be able to use the mid pipe that we had purchased because it extends just a little too far to use with these mufflers. So we're going to have to figure out a way to get some pipe welded in here. And yeah, we're gonna have to figure out something else. So we'll see what we can do. But in the meantime, we're gonna start with open headers. Wait. Oh, you're moving. You're pushing a car. Look at you.
Keep going.
Dang. Look at you push a car. All by yourself. Feel strong? Yeah? Yeah, you just push that car out. How about that? All right.
Mom.
Loud noises!
Do you hear that? That sounds amazing!
Let's get the 4-year-old reaction to a cold start.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Oh my boy! Woo! It is so loud. This is unreal. This is stupid loud. The neighbors are looking at me like I'm crazy. Oh my God. That's only 2,000 RPM. That is ridiculous.
Make the boss out look like that.
Yeah?
Make the boss out.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. once. It is really loud. Holy cow, guys. Open headers, that's the way to go. No, just kidding. We're gonna figure this out. I'm gonna see if I can reach out to some buddies of mine that are pretty good welders, and I'll see if we can get the exhaust all buttoned up. The hard part's done. We made it fit, but it's on there. It's, you know, it's gonna sound amazing. I can't thank my buddy Mike enough, MJI. Can't hope to see his car at some point. And I got one last thing for MJI to show my appreciation. This is something I wanted to start here for a while, guys, and it's something I'm gonna do. Anyone that contributes to the car is gonna get to do this. Anyone that helps contribute to this build in any way, I'm gonna show appreciation by, we're gonna have our little trunk of fame here, and they're gonna sign underneath. It's pretty dark, but I think the Sharpie will still do the trick.
Where do you want to sign?
Anywhere you want, man. Pick a spot.
Just easier right here. There we go.
All right. Again, Mike, can't thank you enough, brother.
I appreciate it, man.
And
that sounds good.
Yeah, it's gonna. I can't, man. I could not have done this without his help, guys. I learned a lot, which is what this is all about, learning stuff.
Having fun.
I'll be able to pass that on to the kids and teach them in the future, because I've done it once, and so now I just carry it forward.
It is called a race car.
Is it a race car? You tell me.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. We even made Mike part of the Brailsford Rides crew. Oh yeah.
I'll make sure I wash up before I put it on.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks again, Mike, and appreciate everything, man. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it for today's episode. We'll button this up later, and we'll get a full exhaust reveal later. But that's all we can knock out for today. It's been a long day. Mrs. has helped me a lot. I can't thank Mrs. Brailsford enough for watching the baby for this. And that's going to do it. You guys take care. Stay blessed. See you next time on Brailsford Rides.
Try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown.
Taking a long time for us to
Figure it
finish this.
without. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruising.
What will I do it? Right here.
Be ruthless.
Go to beer. The limbs. I really want to get those limbs. And I want to stop.